Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here with Jenn Finn, a member of our remote services team, who's going to talk a little bit about her role here at TeamLogic IT.
Hey everybody, I'm Jenn Finn, as Jenn said. I've been here for over 4 months now, and I am your first line of support. You get me when you call in, and I assist with anything from changing your password to remoting in and setting up a printer for you. If I can't handle it, someone else can, but I am your first line of support and I enjoy my job. Like I said, I've been here just for over a few months and I love it.
Great, thanks Jenn.
Thanks.
If you'd like to learn more, please reach out today. Until next time.